Hi everyone, my name is RAMJAN BI. Recently I completed my B.TECH in the year of 2025. After completing my graduation, I joined in Jspiders in the course of Java Full Stack. And now before coming to this Jspiders, I don't know programming languages because I am from the EC background. After joining this Jspiders, I learned Java, SQL and web technologies, full concepts. And thank you Sunil sir, Pawan sir, and Prem sir and Divya madam and Nikhil sir for providing this much of course and encouraging me a lot and preparing for interviews. And our HRs are very helpful and very close and like friendly. They provided and added more companies and they give chances for attending the presentation classes and grooming classes. These classes are very helpful to me to crack the interview. And if anyone want to lead the life in IT software companies, my strong suggest is to join in Jspiders. They will give 100% placements.